Hey guys, today we're going to be making 1 minute chocolate chip mug cake. Okay, so we're going to start by adding 1 egg yolk into our mug. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of butter and put it in a microwave safe bowl. Then we're going to add our melted butter into our mug. Then we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract to our mug. Then we're going to add 1½ tablespoons of brown sugar to our mug. Next, we're going to add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of gluten-free flour. Lastly, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to add in some chocolate chips. You can add however much you like. Okay, now you're going to mix it, and now we're going to go put it in the microwave. Okay, now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, our mug cake is complete. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making our 1 minute gluten-free chocolate chip mug cake. Bye!